Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I wanted to just sit down and play with some makeup. And I noticed that I used this palette from ColourPop. I only used it once and I really liked it the first time I used it. So I wanted to try out more colors from this palette and I decided to use this one for today's video. I hope you like it. These are the colors. I went for a more smoky, grungy eye look. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hi guys. So I don't know what's wrong with my hair today. It's like I look at myself and I'm like, and I know what it is. It's because I have my hair parted in the middle. And I don't do that since I was in my early 20s. And I just look weird. I can't believe I used to wear my hair like that. I mean, I just can't get used to it anymore. I'm going to prime my face. The e.l.f. Putty Primer. I always forget and go in with a lot. You don't need a lot. So my neighbors, they're blasting music really loud. If you can hear that, I'm sorry. So we're off to a good start. So for foundation, I'm going to use the number 7. This is Cool Vanilla. Gonna add some setting spray. I like doing that before I powder because I have oily skin and it makes it last longer. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Are you fucking kidding me? Yep, that happened. This is supposed to go in here. Just gonna clean the foundation out of my lips because I hate that. I use this one from Garnier. It's a makeup remover. It's pretty good. Much better. So I was thinking, I can't deal with this hair. I only used this palette once and I really liked it, so I want to use it again. I'm gonna start with this one on top here. Put that all over my eyelids, my crease and above. I don't think I used this color the first time I used it, so let's see. And I'm taking this really high. You know why? I have hooded eyes. And I need to take this really high so you can see it. And I'm bringing it down here because later on I'll be connecting it at the bottom lash line. So today I really just wanted to sit down and play with makeup. Don't really have nowhere to go, so it's just for fun. I'm gonna repeat that in the other eye. What do you think about my new background? I love it. Who doesn't love moon and stars? How are you guys doing with the whole quarantine thing? Are you in quarantine? Where I live, which is Puerto Rico, they're thinking about doing another lockdown, so I don't know if it's gonna happen again, if it's gonna happen soon. I mean, we still have curfew. It's been over a year and we still have a curfew. It's been crazy. I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line with a smaller brush. Glamorous doll. It has no name or no number. but I love this one. Lately, I've been into a lot of grungy looks. I love grungy look, especially smoky eyes. So I think that's where I'm taking this one too. That's why I'm bringing it really low. I'm feeling that vibe. Let's build up the crease with Sleeper. I'm using the same brush. It's like a plum, like a purple plum. It's purple plum for sure. On camera, I think it looks pink, which I hate when my camera does that. Usually I go for purples and they're purple, but on camera and on the video, when I edit it and when I upload the video, it looks pink. This is a dark plum color. And I'm looking at the monitor and it looks pink. The color is gorgeous. It really is. With a smaller brush, this is the Moda Smudger. I'm gonna use that same color in the lower lash line. I have hair, get away. This is not a wig, it's my real hair. I know it looks horrible, like a cheap wig, but it's not, I promise. Just I'm having a bad hair day, leave me alone. You should see it in person, it's way better. I'm going to put this nice shimmering center color, this one right here, in the inner corner. Jesus Christ! Oh man, I'm dying, it's hot. And I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Gorge. And I'm gonna take my highlight that I'm gonna use later in the brow bone. Black eyeliner in the waterline. And I'm gonna try to do a big wing liner. The letterings is so tiny that I can't see. I think it's dragon liner. It's really good. It's a really good liner. I need my full concentration on this. And I thought you'd be able to see because I have to hold the mirror really close to my face. And basically not breathe. I'm gonna put mascara and pop some lashes and I'll be right back. So for mascara, I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's one of my absolute favorites. And for lashes, I use the Lava Lashes. For contouring, I'm gonna use the NYX. Not really contouring, more bronzing. For blush, I'll be using Milani Romantic Rose. For lips, I'm going to be using the Lunar Beauty Aura. So hi guys, Future Cheryl here. I thought I was recording the outro, but I wasn't. So just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!